Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I would be taking off this makeup which I am carrying right now right here. So yes, if you want to know how I get rid of this makeup with some affordable or some nice products, then keep on watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you would see more videos of mine when I upload them. And let's get into the video to take off this hefty or this makeup. Let me just tie my hair first because they are all over the place and they will interrupt the procedure. So I'm gonna tie them first. I'm gonna wrap up this headband, which is from Vega by the way, on my head. And we're gonna take off those earrings also. Okay, I almost forgot, okay? So now we're cool. And now I am going to take Garnier Micellar water on a cotton pad. Guys, this is not mine, but the whole world's OG makeup remover. It has such a nice fragrance and such an oil-based product. And I'm going to keep it on my eyes for half a minute to 1 minute, depending on the type of makeup which you would be wearing on your eyes. And now I'm going to go on the rest of my face with the same cotton pads. I'm going to take off all the makeup from the face and the lips with the help of same cotton pads. And I go really careful around my eyes because I have a dark under eye and I don't want the product to stay there and make them look worse. And there was a lot of makeup, okay? Now with the help of a Q-tip, I'm gonna go underneath and around the eyes to take off any extra speck of eye makeup or anything which is left from the makeup. So, it was a lot. Now I'm gonna give my face a shower of double gulab rose water. I also use this as my toner underneath the moisturizer. And I'm just pat it. Now I'm gonna take this Mario Badescu cleansing soap. This is basically a soap and the exfoliator kind of thing. This is a combination of both. I'm going to take a generous amount and I am going to exfoliate a lot, and it has a really nice refreshing earthy smell in it, and the particles in it are so smooth which make it a gentle cleanser by the way, and I love it exfoliating my skin. It makes my skin smooth and supple. You just have to scrub like we are being more generous, and just I wanted to make sure that there should be no makeup particle staying on the skin. And now we will scrub, and then I'm gonna wait for like 1 or 2 minutes. I just want every makeup product to stay on my face for 1 or 2 minutes after I have exfoliated or done the massaging part. Now after rinsing the face, my face looks so good, so good. I'm gonna also exfoliate my lips with the neem scrub just to get rid of any extra lip product to make my lips smooth and supple. If you guys have not watched the video on how to get smooth and supple lips, you will find the eye link on the screen. Just click it, guys. Now I'm going to put some rose water on a cotton pad and take off the scrub also. So today is the day when I would be using sheet mask. This one is turmeric and yogurt sheet mask, and both the products are so good for your skin. They are like skin foods. Now I'm going to apply the sheet, and whatever serum is left, I will apply it on my neck, on my eyes, on my hands as well. And then I'm gonna wait for like 15-20 minutes, I guess. Yes, I always wait for like 15-20 minutes and then take it off. Now I'll also massage the serum with the help of the same sheet on my hands, on my face, wherever you want that serum to be. I just want all the goodness of it. Yeah, just give your face a good massage. I'm gonna also apply this Lakme Absolute Skin Gloss Cream on my skin. I have used it so much and I love this one. This one is also a refreshing kind of cream, and in summers I use mostly refreshing kind of products. Just massaging it on the skin. And now that I had bad under eye circle situation, I'm going to use this Blossom Kosher under eye gel under my eyes and give them a good massage. I'm just applying it generously and then giving them a good massage with as little pressure as you can, and this will hydrate our skin around the eyes as well. Now I'm going to use this Maybelline Baby Lips on my lips generously so that my lips also gets hydrated and become more soft and supple since we have exfoliated them. And tada, we are done. So guys, this is it. This is how I take my makeup off my skin, and you can see now my skin looks so good. My skin is so relaxed now. So yes, this is how I take off all the makeup, minus the step where I applied the sheet mask on the face. That I do like once or twice a week, so my skin was clean, and also I thought it's a call for that face mask or sheet mask. So yes, this is how I take care of the skin and remove the makeup. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Tell me in the comment section that which makeup like removing product is your holy grail type of the makeup product, and I will meet you in my next video. So stay blessed, stay happy, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, okay, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.